Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, we've been extremely sideways on the US dollar yen ever since we made this big impulsive move down. Now, like I've been saying, if this is the end of a correction, it will go down and take out this low. Does it mean that it may not make a move to the upside before it does that? Take out this high before it actually goes down. So keeping all this in mind, let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Currently, I would probably have a little bit of a long bias just because I think there's a good chance it would go up and grab that liquidity that I was just showing. So I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I would be paying very, very close attention to these fib levels. If it hits a fib level, then makes it a golfing candle to the upside on the 1 hour, I think it would potentially be a decent opportunity to maybe trade it up to these previous highs. And then we could probably start looking for sorts after that. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.